In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up family calendars in Google Calendar. If you want a simple way to keep everyone in your household organized, creating a shared family calendar is a great place to start. It can help you track appointments, school events, activities, birthdays, and reminders all in one place. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create a new family calendar in Google Calendar using a computer. To begin, open Google Calendar in your web browser on a computer. This setup is easiest to do on the desktop version because the full calendar management options are more visible there. Once Google Calendar loads, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll see your existing calendars along with a section called Other Calendars. Next to Other Calendars, click the plus sign. This opens a menu with different options for adding calendars. From that menu, choose Create New Calendar. This is the option you'll use when you want to make a separate calendar specifically for family planning instead of just adding an existing one. Now you'll be taken to the calendar creation page. In the name field, type the name you want to use for this calendar. A simple name like family works well, especially if you want it to be easy to recognize later. Below that, you can also add a description if you'd like. This part is optional, but it can be helpful if you want to note what the calendar is for, such as shared family events, appointments, or weekly schedules. Once you've entered the calendar name and if you want a description, click Create Calendar. Google Calendar will then generate the new calendar for you. After that, it will appear in your list of calendars and you'll be able to use it just like any other calendar in your account. A helpful tip here is to choose a clear, practical name from the start, especially if you plan to create more shared calendars later for things like work, school, or specific activities. Keeping names simple makes your calendar list much easier to manage. That's all it takes to create a family calendar in Google Calendar. Once it's set up, you'll have a dedicated place to organize family plans more clearly and keep everything easier to find at a glance. If you're following along, make sure the new calendar appears on the left side after creation so you know it was added successfully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.